up, you guys? You are back with your girl I Rock for Live, and today I'm super excited. I'm going to be reviewing Sensational up and down hair. This is what the hair looks like. Yo, I literally have been dying to try this hair out, so I am like super excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's only like, I think around 20 bucks, like 25 I believe, but I will put this hair in the link in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. And it comes in some amazing great colors. Honestly, Sensational has been killing it. Sensational has been killing it. Sensational has been killing it. I am just literally loving their hair right now. If you guys have not seen, I reviewed the Sensational pony wrap. When I say it is goddess, it gives you goddess vibes. Literally, I can't wait to go back and repurchase that hair. That is absolutely my favorite look this far, and it was only like $10, so I'll put up that video in the link in the description box as well. For my hair, I just have my hair. I went ahead and I parted my hair from ear to ear. This part I'm going to put the half wig on. This part I'm going to put the ponytail around it. So it's going to be the half wig, ponytail. It's going to look super cute. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I style my hair, so you guys should just stay tuned. Oh. I totally freaking Don't you hate when you wear lip gloss and you get like hair all over your lips? Like, it just sticks to it like a magnet. Now I have to go find another hair tie because my hair tie like literally broke. I'll be right back. And if you know me, you know I gotta have my edges laid, okay? Y'all all know, especially those of you that have thin edges, the best trick to do is to create some baby hairs just so your edges don't look too thin. That is the best trick. You guys are welcome. If you have thin edges, go ahead and just swoop them edges like this. Boom, boom, and it looks like you actually got like more edges than you really do like in real life. Trust me, I know. I've been doing this for a while now, okay? And for those of you that have a big forehead like myself, just create some baby hairs at the top right here just to cover up a little bit of forehead, and you good to go. So I already have my edges laid, looking good. So this is the half wig. It's super pretty. I didn't even tell you guys the texture. UD11. So this one is UD11. It's definitely a yucky feel with the little curls at the ends. It's actually pretty long, if you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys real quick. So this is what the cap looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. It has a drawstring at the very end right there. And yo, I don't know if you guys noticed, but like my part, let me see if you guys can show you guys. My part is completely off. Like I cannot for the life of me create like a straight part on my own head. Like that's literally impossible for me. Like, am I the only one? Like I can't be the only one. I cannot do a part on my head. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to apply this bad boy. So already we got the we already looking a little good. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the other part. Ooh, this right here, it reminds me of the hair of the ponytail wrap that I reviewed from Sensational. It's exactly this texture. It's a little bit kinkier in my opinion because it was a kinky straight, and it was just like, but this texture right here goes really good with type 4 hair. Right here, it has 1 comb, 2. And I don't think this is Velcro like the other one where it sticks to itself. So you're definitely gonna need to use like bobby pins or something. So I'm just applying the comb there. Applying the comb under there. You guys can see that. Let me go up. Ooh, baby. Ooh, child. We getting it poppin'. Okay, so we're just gonna take that piece that's out from the rest of the ponytail, and you're just going to wrap it around just like that. Ooh, come on. I have a genie. This is what this is giving me. I have a genie vibes, okay? I have a dream. I'm the black version. I have a dream, okay? Ooh, okay, so I got my bobby pins somewhere over here. I am like, I can't wait to take pictures. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at iRockForLive. You guys want to see me take some cute pictures? Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Ooh. I'm so excited. Yo, like, hold on real quick, okay? Let me get into character. Let me get back into character. Ooh, girl. Ooh, can y'all see? Can y'all, hold on. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Ooh, can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Baby, baby, baby. Who ain't popping? What I can say I don't like, this drawstring, it doesn't get tight enough for me. Like, there's a lot of room back here, but other than, woo, and it matches the texture of my, you know, the front part of my hair. Maybe probably a little bit more gel, but baby, you know, you can never have enough gel. When you got type 4 hair, you can never have enough gel. Am I in focus? What, the baby hair is laying down? So let me stand up real quick. Let me stand up for you guys, so I can show you guys where it hit. It's actually pretty long. It hits me right here. So it's pretty long. This hair is really, really full. And it just looks like I have a dream, okay? Like, boo, babe, you killing it. Like, okay. 1 through 10 though, I'm gonna have to get this a 10. I mean, like I said, Sensational has been killing it lately. And I absolutely love this. This is like just, I mean, I'm saying though, I'm saying though, like, Sensational, up and down. This is the UD11. I will have a link in the description box down below, because I know after y'all see this, y'all gonna pick it up. But let's go ahead and spice this up a little bit. So this is one style. I think it says it has 4 if I'm not mistaken. But let's try to, like, you know, let's see if we can, like, I feel like a Bratz doll. Like, I feel just like, I just feel really, like, pretty, and really just like, this hair has a lot of volume, it has a lot of body, it has a lot of glamour. Like, this style right here is super, super cute, and I am, like, literally loving it. You have a lot of hair you working with. You're working with the back piece, which is the half wig. You're working with the top piece, which is a ponytail. So you get a 2 for 1 type of deal. And it's super affordable, it's super cute, and it's just, I mean, you guys see it. Like, you guys, I was excited for a reason. Like, okay, are you kidding me? I was definitely excited for a reason when it comes to this hair, because I already knew, you know how I knew? I already seen a lot of reviews on YouTube of this hair, and I was like, getting it, like, getting it. I bought like 4 different wigs or hair pieces from wig types. So yeah, this is the other one. I already told you guys the other one was a Sensational pony wrap. And then I got 2 more. So if you guys are interested in me reviewing the other 2 wigs that I got, or hair pieces that I got from wig types, make sure you guys comment down below. But now we're gonna put the shades on. I mean, CEO, she's a boss. And that's on period, okay? She's a boss. I mean, don't look at the pants, because the pants is just sweats, okay? But we're looking at the top, the waist up. The waist up, she's killing it. This is super cute. I do not want to take this down whatsoever, but I know you guys want to see how the half wig looks by itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. Try not to pay attention to the, like, bun I have right here, because I know it might get in the way a little bit. I have me a little headband piece right here. You know how they do, like, the headband wigs these nowadays? You can also do that with half wigs, and just put the wig like it would normally be, like a half wig, without putting your hair out in the front or anything like that. And you could just put your little headband on. Like, imagine this hair without the bump right here, without my hair sitting right here. And this right here would be really, really cute. It'd be really cute. You just have the curls, you have your half wig, put the little headband on top, you have your edges laid down. If you choose to have edges, you do not have to have edges. And it's just, this is really, really cute. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, but I definitely love the first style first. Let me know in the comments down below, like, do you guys enjoy the first hairstyle, or are you guys loving just the half wig by itself? But that is it. This is Sensational's up and down hair in UD11. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you guys like, comment, and boo. If you ain't subscribed, I don't know what the problem is. Let me know in the comments down below. Like, what am I doing wrong? What's the problem? What do you want to see? Make sure you are subscribed. And I will see you guys, you beauties, in my next video. Bye. Follow me on Instagram so you guys can see pictures of me like in this hair. Bye.